In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this really cool animated season in Canva. So let's get started. Click on Video. I'm going to choose Pinterest Video. You can continue with any dimensions you want. For every element that is going to be used in the tutorial, you just need to go to Elements and type Orange Blob. It's an element that we are going to use. Click Graphics. If you don't have Canva Pro, go to the hamburger menu and check the free box. Now you only have the free elements and you can choose easily. And if you wanted animated elements, check both the free and animated boxes. I'm clearing the filters and will select from recently used items. You just need to search for the same terms. For this, type Orange Blob. Scale it up. For this autumn season, increase its size. Position and send it backward. I'm bringing both of them lower so we have space for the trees. For this, type Straight Road. Search for Autumn Tree. Go to Position and Layers. First, I'm going to put these layers behind this tree. Then select all three and send them to the bottom. Click on Duration and increase duration of the layer to 9 seconds. Reduce the duration of the tree layers by about 0.01 or 0.02 seconds from each other. This is because we don't want all three to appear at the same time. Go to Animate. Select Baseline. Ensure that On Enter is selected. And increase the speed. Also, do this for the other two. I'm setting the trigger point to 3 seconds. And shortening the layers from the end. Like this. Go to Elements and search for Falling Leaves. Graphics, check the animated box. Also, shorten the layer from the end. Now it's Winter's turn. To do that, duplicate the orange blob and place it here. Take a duplicate of this one as well. Select the orange blob, go to Color, select Blue and make it very light. Select the other one. Go to Edit. Scroll down to Duotone. Click Custom. Change the shadow's color to this. Maybe a little darker. Go to Position. Send it below the blob layer. Select both layers, send them below the car. Select Orange Blob. Go to Animate. Choose Wipe. Set it to On Exit. Set the direction as well. Select the orange hill too. Go to Animate. Apply the same animation to it, just change the direction. Go to Position and Layers. Move the road layer up. Go to Elements and search for Winter Tree. Shorten the layer from the beginning and end like this. If you're still with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up and ring that bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Go to Position, and send the tree layers below the blob. Reduce the duration of each tree layer just a little bit, so that they appear one after the other. We're going to apply the same animation to these as we did to the autumn trees. Go to Elements and search for Falling Snow. Shorten its layer. Click on the white blob. Go to Animate. Apply the wipe animation. Set it on Exit. Do the same for that one too. Just set the opposite direction. Go to Elements and search for Field Green Hill. Shorten the layer first. Scale it up. Duplicate the white blob and place it here. Click on it. Go to Color and change it to green. Position, select both and send them below the road. Go back to Elements and search for Spring Tree. Go to Position and send them below. Shorten the layers as well. Apply the same animation to these as well. Let's add some flowers. Go to Elements and search for Flowers. Use animated options. Also reduce the layer. Get a few duplicates. You can design the summer season with the same steps. When you are satisfied with the result, go to Share and download it as an MP4 or GIF format. Thank you for watching and for sticking with me.